Let me say something slightly controversial for a sec. If tax season stresses you out, it's probably not because taxes are complicated, although yes, they can be. It's because your documents don't have a home. They're in email, they're in downloads, they're vibing. So today I'm setting up a complete tax prep 2025 folder from scratch. No spreadsheets, no accounting jargon, just a clean system that makes you feel like a very calm, very legitimate CEO. Let's do it. Oh, am I Kaylee May? Okay, let's go. Every year I work with creative business owners who are making real money, but when March hits, we're hunting for Stripe reports, downloading random PDFs, trying to remember where contractor forms live. It's not that you don't have the documents, you just don't have a structure. And structure is what turns that panic that we feel in tax season into clarity. So I'm opening Google Drive and I'm building this with you. Okay, open Google Drive or whatever cloud storage that you decide to use. Create one main folder called 2025 tax prep or whatever year it is, 2026, 2027. That is your container. Everything lives here. If it relates to your 2025 taxes, it goes in this folder. Simple. Inside 2025 tax prep, we are creating the following subfolders. Don't overthink this, just build them. Folder 1 is statements. This is for any time money was moved. Inside statements, you can create subfolders like credit cards, as well as bank statements, payment processor exports. And that's going to include things like Stripe, PayPal, Shopify, any platform that processes payments for you. If it's a monthly statement or export, it lives here. Then folder 2 is going to be reports. This is where your bookkeeping reports go. Your profit and loss, balance sheet, year-end financial summaries. If you have a bookkeeper, they will send you these reports. And if you are your own bookkeeper against your will, this is where the reports will go when you finalize them. All right, then folder number 3 is contractors. This one is important. This is for W-9s, contractor, payment records, anything related to issuing 1099s. So if you pay contractors, this folder will save you every January. Trust me. Folder number 4 is receipts. This is your catch-all for deductible expenses. Equipment, meals, education, travel. We are not organizing these by category right now. We are simply containing them. Containment first. Optimization later. Folder 5 is loans and liabilities. If you have business loans, lines of credit, equipment financing, all of the statements are going to go here. This keeps your debt documentation separate and easy to find if your accountant needs it. Folder 6 is forms. This is for official tax documents, all the snail mail that makes your heart rate skyrocket. 1099s that you received, W-2s that you received, any IRS or state tax forms. If it looks formal and slightly intimidating, it goes here. This will also be where you're going to put the records of your confirmation for your quarterly estimated tax payments throughout the previous year. Folder 7 is prior year. This is where you're going to store all of your previous tax returns and prior year filings. Having these accessible makes future tax planning so much easier and your accountant will need them. Once everything is created, I want you to click on this main folder and copy the shareable link. If you're using my dashboard, the tax season command center, you're going to paste that link into the tax doc storage system section. You will reference it throughout the year. You can send it to your accountant and you can also mark that task complete. Just like that, you have a real system. Here is the mindset shift. You don't need to interpret your numbers. Yet, you don't need to decide if something is tax deductible. Yet, you just need to give your documents a home. Organization is your job, strategy is mine. So to recap, now you have one main tax prep folder, 7 organized subfolders, a shareable system that your accountant will love you for. And if this made you feel even 5% calmer, tell me in the comments. And be honest, are your documents organized or were they previously feral? I support either answer. If you want the strategic side of this, what actually matters for taxes, what your accountant is really looking for and how to avoid overpaying, watch my free workshop, Tax Season, but make it strategic. And if you want this entire system pre-built with reminders and workflows in Notion, that's the command center. Both are linked below. You didn't start your business to stress about PDFs and taxes. You started it for freedom. Systems protect that freedom. I'll see you in the next video.